Hi, good morning dear students and parents. So today in this video class we are going to teach factorations exercise number 6.2 remaining means. So in the last video class we discussed exercise 6.2 first and second mean and remaining sums is given for your homework. I hope you do it all the remaining sums because there is no came any doubts or any problems from your side. So that's why I hope do it yourself remaining all the sums. Okay. Then further let us move towards remaining mains in exercise 6.2. Dear students, in exercise 6.2 third main first sum, factorize the expressions. Factorize expressions. So, how express the factors? Ax square plus bx. Ax square plus bx. So, in this ax square plus bx, how to factorize? It is only binomial equation. So in this binomial equation, how to factorize this one? See here, in this term ax square, here a into x into x, a into x into x plus here b into x. See, in which is common in both the two terms? So x is common. That x is take outside. X into ax plus b. So this is two factors of ax square plus bx. So like this we have to factorize. We get the two factors x and ax plus b. X and ax plus b how we get? Just by using the taking common factor. So that's why when we taking the common factor, the remaining factor, so we finally obtain two factors of ax square plus bx. Like this we have to do it. Okay. Understand? Next, let us move second sum. 70 square 21q square. 70 square plus 21q square. So in 70 square plus 21q square, so here also is split out the terms, first term and the second term. In first term, 7 into p square, p into p plus 21 factor, 7 3s are 21. So what are the factors of 21? 7 and 3. So 7 into 3 into q square means q into q. So what is common factor in both the two terms, dear students? See here, 7 is the common factor, right? 7 is common in both two terms. The remaining here only p, here only q, but here only 3. So therefore, only which is common factor, that is 7. That 7 is take outside. Which is the common factor? That common factor take outside. Remaining is what? P square here. Plus here what? 3q square. 3q square. So these are the two factors of the 70 square plus 21q square. Understand? Okay. Third one. am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. Look at the students here. am square plus bm square, bn square plus an square. First here you making the group. This is m square common factors group and this is n square common factor group. When you make it grouping, after that you take the common factor in both the two groups. So in first group, which is common factor in this? In this group, m square is common factor, right? That m square is take outside. M square into a plus b, right? M square into a plus b. M square is common factor in first group. And as well as, what is the common factor in second group? You think it? Which is common factor in second group? Yes, that is n square. The n square is take outside. Then remain what? B plus a or a plus b, right? So here also you have a plus b, here also you have a plus b. Again you take outside a plus b, right? So in this group a plus b is there. In this group also a plus b or b plus a, both are same. Don't bother about it. Here a plus b, here b plus a, but both are same. 2 plus 2, 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Both are answer is what? 6. Right? So just think logically. 2 into 3 what? 6. 3 into 2 is what? 6. But answer we get what? Same. So according to this one, a plus b or b plus a, both are same. So therefore, this a plus b is again take outside. So a plus b, when we should take out a plus b is outside, the remaining is what here? M square. Here what? N square. So a plus b into m square plus n square. These are the two factors of a m square plus b m square plus b n square plus a n square. Understand, dear students? Okay. So shall we move next one? Some in this same way. Okay. L m plus L. L m plus L into plus m plus 1. M plus 1. Look at the students. So here say you make two groups Lm plus L into m plus 1. So in first group L is common factor, that L is take outside. L into m plus 1 plus m plus 1, right? This is m plus 1. Again m plus 1 is common factor, that m plus 1 is take outside. M plus 1. Here also have m plus 1, here also have m plus 1. That m plus 1 is take outside, remain what? L plus a 1. So m plus 1 into L plus 1. So these are the two factors of this. Understood? So if you understand, the sums is very easy. If you not understand, the sums is very difficult. That's all. So first you give the concentration to understand easily. If you have any questions is raising in your mind, you don't keep long time. That doubt is clearly sharply with your concerned teacher, right? Dear students, so let us move next main, fourth main, that is factorize. Factorize, fourth main. Here first sum. A to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. See, so this is wonderful sum. A to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. So a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. We know that identity a square minus b square identity, but we don't know the a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 identity. So when is given power 4 or more than, that power is reduced to square, right? Oh, look here. A to the power of 4, that 4 exponent from 2 square, right? A 4 exponent form is what? 4 is equal to 2 square root. You write instead of 4 2 to the power of 2 2 to the power of 2 minus as well as for b to the power of 2 to the power of 2. Understand how we could write the 2 to the power of 2 according to this one. 4 exponent form 2 to the power of 4. So that's why instead of 4 we written 2 to the power of 4. So it is we can return 2 to the power of a to the power of 2 a to the power of 2 whole square, right? A to the power of 2 whole square minus b square whole square b square whole square. Now it is in form of a square minus b square. A square plus b square into what? A plus b into a minus b. By using this identity, then you expand it. A square minus b square into a square plus b square, right? A square plus b square into a square plus b square. Again, a square plus b square. This is in form of same identity. A square plus b square. Again, it expand it. A plus b into a minus b. Again, this one is not expand according to this identity because we are using negative sign a square minus b square. That's why it is not in form of a square minus b square. So that's why you write as it is a square plus b square. So these are the three factors of this one. A to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. Understand, dear students? So once again, you listen carefully. A to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. So instead of 4, we can written as 2 to the power of 2. Instead of here also same 4 2 to the power of 2. It means we rearrange a square whole square b square whole square. So this is in form of a square plus b square identity. This answer is a plus b into a minus b. So according to this one, we can expand it a square plus b square, a square plus b square, or a square plus b square into a square plus b square. Again, a square plus b square identity a plus b into a minus b, remaining a square plus b square. So these are three factors of a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. Do you understand, dear students? Okay. Shall we move? Next one, sum. Okay. So we look at one more sum. P to the power of 4 minus 81. Okay. So almost same, probably same problem. P to the power of 4 p square whole square minus 81 3 to the power of 4 or 3 square whole square, right? 3 square whole square 3 to the power of 4, right? Factors of 81 3 2 are 6 1 3 7 are 3 9 are 27, so 3 3s are. So 81 factors is equal to 81 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 to the power of 4. So that 3 to the power of 4 we written as 3 to the power of 2 whole square. So we rewrite p square whole square minus 3 square whole square. Now this is in form of a square minus b square form. So that's why p square plus 3 square into p square minus 3 square. So p square plus 3 square into p square minus 3 square, again it is in form of a square minus b square form. So p plus 3 into p minus 3. Understand? Okay. So otherwise you rewrite p square plus 3 square means 9 into p plus 3 into p minus 3. Okay. So I hope you understood all the sums. P to the power of 4 minus 81, p to the power of p to the power of 4 minus 81 factors are what? P square plus q square, p square plus q square, p plus 3 into p minus 3. So dear students, I hope you understand in this video class all the sums, third main and fourth main. Still this main we have to complete all the three identity: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square identity. So we cover all three identities and we solve some complex sums, means critical sums also we have to solve in this video class. I hope you understand all the sums. Otherwise, have any doubts, you please send back to your WhatsApp group and contact your concerned teacher. Okay, so you please do it yourself and take homework remaining sums, do it yourself. When have any doubts is raised, you please contact her. Okay, and one more important thing. So shortly your monthly test is announced and your regular class is also announcing shortly. So that's why you give concentrate to your studies. Okay, thank you dear students.